You gotta jump like they did. Nighttime riding. Dude, it is comfortable out right now with all the gear on. Whew, it's perfect. Plow, badow. Ow, just hit a pothole. My junk did not approve. Popo are out in force. Got the squad here. Look at this. You gotta jump like they did. Cement's lava. I guess I could turn, huh? Woo, let's go. The unexpected could happen, so you need to expect the unexpected.
Run.
What is going on over here? Something's going on. It is popping down here right now. Man, we got more jumpsuits. Jumpsuit gang. Let's get it. But right now in the middle of downtown. Follow the brick road. Bumpy. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to go. I'm going straight, and there's someone in the way. Crack kills. That dude's doesn't have his lights on. I smell the weed. Downtown nightlife. Oh, this road is so bumpy. Adventure biking it. I should get an adventure bike. That'd be fun. I'm still standing. Looks like we're going right. Uh-oh. Siren's going off. We got everything going. Did I take my helmet off? Alright, that's weird. My helmet just came loose, and I don't remember untying it. That's sketchy. I hope I even buttoned it up. There's a cop right there. Kind of a cool view. There's a cone! Hotel Indigo. Heyo. Bike's running pretty quick in this cool weather. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, dang. Should I get on the interstate up here? Probably not. Holy crap. Can you see those? Alright, we're gonna get blinded for a second. Ready? Go. Whoa, those are bright. He wants to race now. What is that? Let me know in the comments if you know. It's right-hand drive, that's sick. That's cool. Oh, he turned off. Bike really likes it when it's cool out. We're in 4th gear, accelerating uphill. Not very often you get to do that on the Z125.